Hey, hey, hey. So I was just sitting here eating a rice cake. Love these things. I always stack like peanut butter and bananas on them. But I got a question when I was, after the other YouTube video that I posted, and someone was like, what is that hanging behind your head? It is ornaments. So this is like our window, and the ornaments match my tree. The ornaments that are on my tree right here. Isn't that a cute idea? Got that from Pinterest. So we did that last year and this year as well. So thought I'd show y'all that. But we're just sitting here. We're fixing to go. Our daughter has a recital here in a few minutes at school. She did piano last year, and this year she did guitar and bass. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Bass as well. There's hubby. Fortniting it up. Poor guy sat here last night. We watched 2 chick flicks. We watched Failure to Launch and then P.S. I Love You, which is my absolute favorite. And so then it was like, I don't know, probably around midnight, and his game finished updating, and as soon as he turns it on, I'm like, can we go to bed? So he's getting his Fortnite in now. He did play 1 round last night before we went to bed, but yeah, fixing to head out. I'll show you some of our daughter's recital too. She's so stinking cute. So cute. Hope y'all are having a great day. Here's our son. He's got his little Yoda hat on. He's so cute. Best face you can do. Get bust that.
What do you call a dog with no legs?
Hi.
I'm just saying, if it has no legs, it's
You did
probably
amazing.
wrong.
Thank you.
No.
Is that the bass or a
Probably
guitar?
not, but like, that was
The
just
bass, that's what I thought.
I thought I was gonna faint.
Did you? Were you that nervous? Were you embarrassed your shoe was untied?
How do construction workers have a party?
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
They're ready to root.
Go on. We just almost died, didn't we, y'all? Look, see, you're about to do it again.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I just feel
are.
like a girl again. We're about to die.
It's about rear-ending all these vehicles. Oh, look at that. Sibling love.
No, just me about the motor.
He's trying to put me in a headlock.
Oh.
Hug lock?
I thought y'all were snuggling.
No, I gotta go.
He tried.
Took it out of your hair. I'm kidding.
Look, falling asleep driving.
Mm-hmm.
I was falling asleep in math class. Math is boring.
Okay,
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh.
Scream like a girl.
why don't you do
You
it?
better cool it over there.
Don't you hold the camera still?
Because.
Somebody.
Oh my God, I cannot deal with him today. We are heading to McDonald's.
Stop the world.
I am gonna eat some nuggets.
I want to get off.
I am excited.
A quarter pounder.
A quarter pounder?
I take pictures, sissy.
I take a picture, Titi. You sound like Smeagol. Do the voice.
Wait, which voice?
Oh, that was it. I've never heard you do that before.
Freddy versus Jason?
It's getting weird in here, y'all. It's getting weird.
Do you want to get ground pound?
Ground pounded?
That's like...
Do you want to get ground pounded?
That means I pick you up and I slam you to the ground.
What's that called, Dad? Not ground pounded.
I forgot a ground pound. I know an actual wrestling.
It's called a body slam, isn't it?
Body slam, that's it.
You-
No, body slam is when I jump on her. Body slam is when I jump on her.
Mom.
No, it's not a body slam. You pick somebody up and you slam them down on the ground.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, that's a body slam.
Mom. Okay, so listen to this.
You do not ever walk up to somebody and ask if they want to get ground pounded. This sounds...
Mom, listen to
We're losing it.
Oh shit.
You're so cute, Hunter.
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to order the food. Oh. Double ground pounder with cheese.
Extra ketchup.
I know all your tickle spots.
this.
Okay, so we have a Christmas party tomorrow. It's our neighbor's annual Christmas party. It's 80s themed. It's gonna be so fun. But they have requested that I bring this jalapeno cranberry dip. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. It's a Pinterest recipe, so I'm gonna post that down below for y'all as well. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So the day before, you need to have this ready to be eaten. You wanna go ahead and make your cranberry mixture. So I have my food processor here. You're gonna use one whole bag. I believe it's 14 ounces. Let me see. Oh, this is a 12-ounce bag. So you're gonna put the whole thing in here, and it calls for 1 or 2 jalapenos. If you do 1 jalapeno, you don't really taste the jalapeno much at all. So I'm doing 2. That's what I've started doing. So you're gonna go ahead and put your lid on and pulse them. You wanna chop them up, not like, you don't want them to be purified or like chopped too tiny, because then it just makes it way too liquidy. So you just want to chop them to where they're pretty good little pieces, I guess, to where the cranberries are about quartered, if that makes sense. So yeah, maybe a little bit more than quartered. This is how I like mine to look. Let me show you. Just like this. You can see they're still really pretty good chunks. And some of these cranberries, like this one, are still kind of almost whole. That's okay. So we're gonna take this, and I'm gonna move this to the side. This sounds. Okay, so we're gonna pour this into our bowl. And get all that yumminess out. Okay, so now to your cranberries and jalapenos, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cilantro. I always put just a little bit more because I feel like the cilantro really makes it taste amazing. Green onion, about the same amount. A cup of sugar. And that is gonna make it, it's such a sweet kind of treat. You're gonna put this over a layer of cream cheese, of softened kind of whipped cream cheese. And then you're gonna put some lemon juice. You're gonna stir this up and leave it in the fridge overnight. And the sugar is really gonna help pull all the juices out of this jalapeno and the cranberries. And it's gonna like sweeten and turn kind of syrupy overnight. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like once I get this all mixed in really good. I like to stir it until like the sugar looks like it's really gotten really wet. And you can see this is already starting to go to work. To where like the sugar is not white anymore. So it's all blended in really good. Like I stirred around for probably about a minute, 60 seconds or so. And then, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. And then tomorrow I'll take my cream cheese, I'll set it out in advance so it kind of gets like room temperature and soft. And then add a little bit of milk to it and mix it up. You can use like a hand mixer, that's the easiest way. Just a whisk works fine too. But you want to do that, and then I'm using this little pan. So you're gonna put your cream cheese in here and then just throw this on top, and we eat it with Ritz crackers. That's what the recipe calls for, and it's amazing and it's so easy. So let me know if you try this. And again, it's gonna be linked below for y'all, so look for that link.
I'm wet a dead. Bruh. First get in there. Shock drill. Hold X to reinforce. Unless it's a thermite dude, we ain't got crap. Op 4 has located a bomb.
What is that?
It's a giant. It's one of these. It's a giant one.
I want to see
Hey, you
it.
didn't get all the dishes.
Look at how big the little thing is.
Was that rubber?
No, it's the little. So
Oh, like a paper thing?
have you ever had?
Daddy got her a treat at the store today. She got out of school a little bit earlier than her brother. I want to see you bust into it. Looks like a golden goose egg.
Oh, look.
Wait,
looks like a brain.
Is that chocolate as well?
It looks like a brain.
You look so cute.
Yes, it is chocolate. Oh, it smells amazing. Mom, it smells like one of those Kinder Joy things I like. Hey, don't put your nose on it.
You shut it.
Disgusting.
Mmm.
I want to have.
No.
Kylie, how about this? I'm changing your.
You're supposed to be doing homework. Homework.
And so it's a big empty one, and you can eat this chocolate right here. And then it comes with two little mini ones inside.
Yum. How do you say that? Ferrero Rocher. How do you say it?
Ferrero Rocher. You sound all fancy. Now I sound stupid.
Can you roll your R's? I don't even know if you're really supposed to say it like that. It just
Ferrero
seems
Rocher.
fancy, like you would need to roll your R's.
Ferrero Rocher. Right.
There you go.
I've been rolling my R's since 2nd grade.
Look, Callie can smell it. Look at her nose.
That's adorable.
Hold it in front of you that way and like blow on it and watch her. She's so funny with smells.
I almost dropped it.
No, you didn't.
And then I'm gonna blow it towards her.
Oh my god, look at her eyes. She's like,
I blew the smell towards her and then just farted in her face.
she's
Great,
terrified
Dad.
right now, Hunter.
Great, Dad. Now she's gonna have pink eye. Okay, I'm about to eat it.
That was so gross.
I'm tempted. Or look how cool that looks, though. It's like a brain. The brain. The brain.
It looks like a crunch bar.
It looks like a brain.
A brain. Now we're gonna be rolling all of our R's, aren't we? Brain.
Correct.
She's coming to get your chocolate.
Oh, heck no. Oh my gosh.